a person, I don't debate in the way usually people do.
Yes,
I talk what I understand
right.
and
Fair
what
enough.
I see as life. And if people can't agree with it, it's their life. I don't care about it.
Animals too are alive in this world just like us. They feel pain just like us. They desire to live free just like us. We are torturing, enslaving, breeding, killing, and doing horrible things to animals which we will not even wish upon our worst enemy, to nearly 60 billion land animals and trillions of marine animals. And that's all for unnecessary stuff, because once you look into the science, you'll realize that meat, milk, and eggs are not necessary to live a happy, healthy life. It's not mandatory. We understand that it is not possible to live a perfect life. We cannot live a life where we say, okay, I'm not killing anybody, I'm not harming anybody. That's impossible. That's not how nature is designed. We understand that there is a lot of problems here and there where humans will have to fight and interact with animals in a negative way. But one thing we vegans insist upon is that we can live our life without exploiting animals. That's the point I want to get very clear. Veganism is a moral obligation. We are saying that we can live a life without exploiting animals, and the most amount of exploitation to animals happens in the name of food. We are killing, we are torturing, enslaving, breeding, killing, and doing horrible things to animals which we will not even wish upon our worst enemy, to nearly 60 billion land animals and trillions of marine animals. Indians can feel pain and suffering, and Chinese can feel pain and suffering because
That,
all of
I am saying that this is only
No, let me
because
finish.
you have got only a little. Your argument is only suitable for you as
It's
a person
suitable
who has got the luxury to do
logic.
these
It's
things.
suitable through logic. So debunk me logically. Logically debunk me.
You are this is crazy. I am
They
saying
have
that anything
there's no skin.
it
There's no
has
skin
to be
on it.
identified with one thing and the next.
Firstly, if you're saying regardless of what I do, animals are going to die, which I already agreed to. That was my opening statement. I already agreed to that. I told you very clearly.
It's useless to agree.
Let me finish.
Why should you agree? Because that is because you are arguing for it.
Let me talk.
When I am saying luxury, I am not talking about the luxury the way you understand it.
Okay,
the
what is it?
luxury of being in a city, the luxury of being in somebody else is doing all this kind of work for you, and you are sitting in the city doing that kind of a luxury. I'm not talking about the luxury of eating food or anything. I am saying the being luxury of being in this kind of a situation where you can have this kind of choices. That luxury I am talking about. I'm not talking about whether it is protein is more difficult to get. That's why it is costly.
Where do you buy your food?
I don't care about this kind of nonsense.
Where do you buy your food? Supermarket?
Veganism will percolate to this ideology of not killing this cow in the end. And
now you're dragging.
Okay.
Completely different things. You're dragging completely different.
No. You are talking as if that nothing. These kind of ideas are just in the air. You are talking in a political situation that these kind of arguments, because this is an ideology, and it will go on supporting all the violent people perpetuating other people also.
And also, Maitriyan has also brought up the points about like you vegans will look down on people. Wrong. That is not a correct statement to say. There are some vegans who might do that, some vegans who might not do that. But regardless of what vegans do, non-vegans 100% look down upon animals. That is a fact that you cannot deny. But you are aware of
are necessary. You haven't thought about these things. That's why I am saying that you have got the luxury to sit here and talk to me like this just because you have not even thought about it. You are just saying that only the last 3 senses which was developed because all those 3. Do you know why those 3 senses developed? 300 years.
Can I talk?
300.
Okay, go on. One bit.
Listen to me. You have already. You listen to me at least what you have not even thought about.